gals and my guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cutting my quick weave into a bob. The reason why I'm making this video is because I actually have never really necessarily perfectly cut my hair into a bob before or styled it in a bob, so this was going to be my opportunity to do so. And so I go on TikTok and I don't see any videos of cutting the bob that I want, or styling it the way that I wanted it to be styled. So I was like, well, why don't I just try and film myself in the process? So basically I actually just got done with my quick weave, cutting off all of the cap and stuff around the perimeter. I think I need to cut a little bit more. Hold on. Okay, so this is the best that I can get it. I'm gonna take all of my clips out. All of my hair I get from Amazon, so these are new, fresh Amazon bundles, except for one bundle. And I still have one bundle left. And that's because I wanted to use pieces of an old bundle that I had just gotten. I only used it one time. And so to make my hair thicker, I add that in. I'm gonna split my hair and flat iron it to my best ability. It's getting really hot in my bathroom, so I'm just gonna start cutting the bobs because they can't be in here any longer. I'm going to cut my hair longer than what I want it to be, so I'm gonna start with the back. Okay, so these are the long pieces. I'm gonna take the hair, comb it to the front, and then cut it right here, because I think I want it right here, but I'm gonna cut right here first. Okay, it's pretty straight. This is why you want to start a little bit lower than what you want in case you mess up, and you can always fix these little pieces. Anytime I'm messing with my hair, I kind of just let it all fall to the ground because I'm gonna have to clean all of this up anyways. And I'm gonna try and do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go like this and cut beneath my fingers. I'm scared. But I don't really want long hair right now. I really genuinely do want a bob, but I've never had one at shoulder length and I just don't know what it would look like. So that's the hair. I don't know. I'm usually pretty good at cutting my hair, but this is stressing me out. I tried to watch videos about this multiple times, but every time I watched a video, it didn't really give a great explanation. But I guess we can follow the video. This girl said if you just pull it all the way up in the back and just cut across, that should help. I'm gonna grab a piece of that and then grab a piece of the middle and kind of do the same thing. Just hold it up, and I don't know, I'm wishing for the best at this rate. I'm gonna try and do this off camera. That helped a little, but not so much. It still looks kind of like SHRT. Look at it. It's not straight, but it'll have to do. And this is why I also wanted to do a longer bob, because you can always fix a longer bob. But if I had it short and I cut off all that hair, money down the drain, time down the drain, tears down my face. Go little straight across. Okay, hot, I love it. It's hard, I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing it a little bit below the hairline because I don't know if I need it to be longer or shorter. I remember when I was in college and I used to like cut my clip-ins, and some girls would be like, you have to cut like this, and that was pretty dangerous, don't do that at home, but they would tell me how to cut my hair and I'd be like, I don't care, I'm gonna cut it the way I want to. Always came out cute though, so I cut that terribly. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Okay. It's actually not that bad. We're surviving, actually. Like, not quite a bob, like, still debating if I should go shorter. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. I tried to like bump the ends a little bit. My flat iron wasn't on all the way, but definitely gonna be wearing this in a crimped style majority of the time, or curled. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me know what you think. I know it's not perfect, but I mean, like, the premise of the video was to make sure that I just cut it into my little bob. So if this video was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and until then, I hope I see you guys in the next one.